Guys, this is incredible. This is absolute proof that NASA has been editing using our websites and editing out UFOs. And I got the proof to show you today. Hold on. What you're looking at right now is the original NASA photograph that I reported in 2013 that was deleted. That's right, NASA deleted it. And you know what else? They thought it didn't exist anymore. So what they did is Photoshop it to an extreme in a very, very poor amount. And they deleted this TR-3B. I believe it's a TR-3B alien aircraft, spacecraft right here. And the photo is exactly the same that they photoshopped, except this UFO is now gone. And they actually used my website in 2013 to edit it out. They actually used my website. And that's happened in over a dozen different occurrences. And I can actually document those in a court of law if a lawyer ever asked me to prove it in front of NASA. Now, look at this. This is just crazy cool. Look at, you can see the whole photograph. This is the original. Let me show you the Photoshopped one that NASA changed. It's going to make you laugh. Okay, here's a post I made back in 2015, right after the 2013 discovery. I made it in 2013, made a post about it. And in 2015, I discovered that NASA had actually deleted this out. And I believe it's a TR-3B alien craft, the same alien craft that Area 51, Area S4 got hold of. Now, I reported it back in 2013 and saw here, but they used my information to edit the UFO out of the photo. And this is undocumented, guys. This is 100% proof. I could use this in a court of law going against NASA, saying that you're using my archives. Look at this. This is incredible. When I go to this official link, I get a 404 error. File not found. It's gone. It's been deleted out. Not only has it been deleted out, when I searched and searched and searched, I did find it finally in a new location right here. And the photo is super dark blue. Look at that. That's dark Photoshop there. They really darkened everything so I wouldn't notice and the public wouldn't notice the difference. But the fact is, this photo still exists in the U.S. National Archives. So let's check the United States government archives. This is it. We're looking at the U.S. National Archives right here. Look at that. This is the difference here, guys. This is the difference. And you see the UFO right above my cursor. Do you see it right there? Now let's look at the original. Well, not the original. Let's look at the edited version that NASA put up. Okay, that's the edited version. This is the original that I found. This is the edited version. This is the original. Now, in the edited version, you don't see the UFO. There's no UFO here. But you do see the UFO here. See these broken clouds right above my cursor? Well, it's way above the broken clouds. See that 1, 2 clouds there? It's way above that. And when you come here, here's the broken clouds right above my cursor. It should be right there. It's gone. It's just totally gone. Just unprecedented. Look at this NASA archive. You can still download it and everything here. Let's click on it. Okay, this is the full screen, baby. United States government says this is it. It is untampered with. It is 100% proof that NASA has been using our websites to edit their archived UFOs out of there. Let's click on it and get a little closer. All right, that is awesome, isn't it, guys? This is totally the same. Same lens flare over here. Same glowing, looks like islands down there. Same glowing over here. But they just used it and made it darker. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is unprecedented. This is the original UFO that I discovered way back in 2013 that NASA deleted, and we caught them red-handed because the United States government has it in another archive. NASA didn't know that they should delete that one too. We caught them. Okay, guys, let's look at this one close up. Okay, we're looking at this close up in the photo program to prove to you that it's been edited. Here is the edited version, but that's not the version I found. This is the version I found with the UFO, and it's more clear, more focused, And it's just absolutely incredible. You can see the UFO right over here above these two broken clouds here. Two broken clouds way up here. Now let's look at this in this one. And let's zoom in. Where's the broken clouds? It's right there. This is very low quality, guys, because they only released the smallest quality this time. They didn't want us to catch anything. Broken cloud, and no UFO. The UFO should be right in here, and there's nothing there. That's just ridiculous. Go back to this one. Look at this one again. Okay, above the two broken clouds, we're on this big line here, on this line, and it's sitting right there. Now I can't focus on this one's not as high quality. I gotta use a different one to show you this UFO close up. But this is 100% proof that NASA over exaggerates their Photoshop. Oh my God, that is such a big difference. Look at that. How could they think we wouldn't notice that? Look at that, guys. Look at that. That is just ridiculous. Okay, like and subscribe, guys. Let's look at a close-up of this UFO. Here is the UFO recorded from the National Archives, and this is from 2013. And as you see, it's a little hard to see. We need to focus it a little bit. There we go. And add some sharpening. You see my photo program, Photoscape X over here. It is coming into detail now a little bit. We lost the color. So let's stop it right there. Add a little vibrance so we can see some of its color. This is what the National Archives has for us right here. It's pretty awesome. If you look at it in negative view, that's it. You definitely see something big there. You definitely see something amazing. I can make this a little bit bigger. However, our 2013 seems to be more in focus. Here's a screenshot from 2013, and it's obviously a triangle. Looks like a TR-3B to me. Could be alien, could be from the U.S. Air Force over in Area 51, Area S4 there. And you can see it does look like a triangle. And if I try to enlarge it, bring it into focus, let's try to sharpen it a little bit. You could see it a little bit better in more detail if I sharpen it and add a little bit more brightness to it so we could see its detail. Look at that. Look at that detail. That's absolutely incredible. This is definitely a solid craft. Here it is. Remember, this is a 2013 original that I found back in 2013 before it was deleted. And that's just absolutely incredible. Now let's look at the version that NASA gave us. Okay, the version that they corrected, and oh my God, the quality, it looks like an iPhone 0.5 even before iPhone 1. And the UFO is gone. The UFO is gone. The UFO is right here, and it's totally gone. Here is National Archives one. Oh my God, there's the UFO right there, guys. There's the UFO, and this is it. This is the 2013 original. Okay, guys, like and subscribe. We caught NASA red-handed. This is good enough proof to work in a court of law to actually sue them for forgery, for lying, for deceitful, for treason. Okay, Scott C. Waring, ET Database. Like and subscribe.